hepatitis B and the one nipadua so a wodi ni nyina beba Dr. Baho ni asa yade ama ho ato ye de kasa ni nyina abawieye de yi ane se obeje Dr. Baye ye number no na afa wodo yade ni nyina de wani akire ho ni enso ya de haba ni nyina tu yade na se ama nipadua no enya ne fa hodie number no eye 0244 988 004 0244 988 004 and it was 0244 08 3482. Dr. Ban yaka no wasem na no pe wo Kumasi atonso ago ho na yi akira kwai Aban hospital na chi e ho na ye di dwuma na no pe wodu ani kira nkran so aye obi hospital road 18 junction mesraw na no pe Dr. Ban na wo Kumasi atonso ago a wo hwe oyade to America fa yade nyina beda Dr. Ban nyemfi ahaban na nyankopɔ de adom ye no ensa oyade na wie na yade ni nyina kwa ya na mra ni sebo eni anije edi free Dr. Baho no eye ba o mai anopa nyankopo nsha
nyame so enka ho pa na jebia ye nyantie se enne kojo alan chirematen ebe dan na nisuade unu adi a chire o my Ghana. It's going to be live on various television and radio neno the great transformational plan basso and 2 p.m. our Melvin Pick Ambassador Hotel and easy cry and you know tesi ohona edu honoma 2 p.m. no Alliance for Revolutionary Change and edits here together with Movement for Change and Ekampum also a new policy blueprint for Ghana's transformation, led by Kojo Alan Chirematin, 2 p.m. and Ebeba. So we're trying to see if we could get in touch with Hobson Adoye, leading member of Movement for Change, and yet he outline the vision and Nyama we should expect today, prior to that live broadcast. And Onyama no mame enka Utiasikan Rural Bank, your savior in rural banking. Bank Sronkwa. Just Utiasikan Rural Bank PLC assistant sell bar said ye see show ni ade your customer care you done or your human resource ne kind of personnel your word dijumano utim say bank no CPS ita current account savings account or your susu fixed deposit salary loan salary advance funeral loans yebosia Ekwiafo so dear omo ye bojua ne omo ye big business wo de o dia ne Utiasikan 0504 842 957 0504 842 957 Kofi Ase headquarters Adjurase Pabokrom abofo macro sanso so na mampon enen kenken so am market ya branch ne abi wo ho anopai se obetwetwere wo se na wonum ada ho kama na wo se ho ayeden wo se so mubu na wo se no nye basa uhia Yas toothpaste. It comes in 3 forms: total care, whitening, and herbal toothpaste. Herbal toothpaste no more strong teeth, healthy gums, fresh breath. I feel whitening no apolsing amausina fita. Total care no so a yin to krontokro. I friend cavities need to decay kaka. Any near chit I was seeing a sema was seeing a sin cancano a year through. It's a complete oral care for you. And until me come for Yas toothpaste, toothbrush as well. Brush and also say what Prince, Princess, Monarch, Duke, Duchess, and Kiddie toothbrushes are hot. Or the answer say Bora Leicester Ghana baby. Na coach Odi. Over to my friend 0501 390 0501 390 And so you Kengen and Magic drinking water 8.5 pH alkaline and just will be idea to my refreshing. Apart from refreshing you know our hydrogen rich minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and iron. It keeps you healthy and my hydrate you well to dance your jinamu onipa dasani unipa diano here our 70% water and sotia you would dehydrate a basa bonam crano ever wesa ubenya wrinkles. You want to keep your body fresh and now when you'll be which is you are not aging acquire anti-aging ensure and a antioxidant so a memoir dun so kama if you woman in abepa it's diabetes pressure for no ade may come for o my test baby the actual say minerals a woman a dewa and antibomodina a ye acid every mo the acidic content a woman and a mouth minya had bens I would draw a chobo no near do the DVI as a nyam ye uya Kenyan and natural drinking water Breman UGC Tafu New Road Abawa Route to Junction or Ubehuyen Fred 0241 449191 Ghana for in all the system regions we are available. All you need to do is call 0241 449191 0241 449191 and 0507 379 0507 379 Give us P capsules. Bema uko boni pe. You need 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Now we jam. Now be some na no dam paso. Ase wa jine and na ode mama. Mesrawa. Who can you know bomodina nenya give us a year. P capsules and no free honor your genital as always and sambi gugu be mane oba ho as a nyani kan esakra oh come on afi akoba se sperm no so no akọ fertilize egg no ewo wombu no so ano mmerenti oboso a ontumrika kra nu na wate ahwede wawu low sperm counter no so ade a ye ho adwuma onya give us P capsules a emema no protein is stronger afei o jonso a wote yaw jonso ya bomodna co capsules no so say waist pains a ebeshi koko na se na ayi ahoro a wo sisi mu nyina afei emma wo so enka wa yamu ntimu da Entina may count for co and P capsules, no. Now it gives you the best result. Give us some malaria, typhoid, jaundice, loss of appetite, a self boosting immune system. And to here give us herbal mixture. And I give us GC mixture and capsules. So obano, rashes, bean, rice, gugu, bema, hodie, bomodena. So benyabi uko Joshua bebia soup yeah. Chemical shop and pharmacy one. Give us P capsules, give us co capsules, give us herbal mixture, and give us GC mixture and capsules. Shannon so emame. 22nd electronics na see at me the birthdays bano pebia. Now almost the property products na be just so. Ni nyina say udi Tony Sack Edi Juma na just say when your property, the when you the passo so japade so say a TVs, fridges, freezers, air conditioners, washing machines, gas cookers, microwaves, rice cookers, blenders, kettles, chest freezers. Yeah, the chest freezers snap back from 100 to 1,000 liters. Udiane property. Property gives you a warranty of 6 to 1 year. Na dear baby na ubusame your prices no so di mu a eda from kama home theaters ahodo electric irons ahodo property there the can set to papa preko esi karam kantimpo mo a do Muslim matter the Susania saso na Melcom Kumasi Dino ansana wakupiem ewo sunyane cocoa board runabout ni oil transport ni di hwe ni mo ana afei depo kasiye so was Spinters Road. The number is 0500309309 0500309309 Wobo Heba and Medical Research Center. Wobo yetim na eba se cardiovascular diseases palpitation unanti kakra bia wo bo papa bo mi a wo kon ene wa beti utimi ti pains afi wo ha wo setimi yetitriti moja broso ana wo ha ye friend of the angina no uti heart pains as a bibi wo and afi etipaye migraine etimi bowa na yesi efre bibi asoro ben ebua no aye mre na wani su briu ni nyina no Fakodan Obo Heba and Medical Research Center. Sanso na stroke, hepatitis, diabetes, awon asem, kidney disorders. Ni nyina no Obo Kaswa official town. Ube huyen Kumasi Adwa to Adumenu Ellen Kranza headquarters no Ade off Ejura Road Bomodina se condition bia wo femu no o number no 0249 761 508 0249 761 508 and 0550 191 514 0550 191 514 na Obo Heba Medical Research Center aboa na bomodina se prekese blended with other nutritional herbs no a boa for palpitation nomne ade wo de ne opo na chese de kwa no na afei ma meni nkomo mene Hobson Adoye. Hobson, good morning. Hello, Hobson.
Yeah, good morning.
Bro, not to say.
Yeah, me adumo.
Yeah, nobody I see. And movement for change. And yasam ketwa ewo movement pick. The atiane say Alan Kojo Martin die the transformational plan no. But en komo kakra, I didn't ensure anymore.
Yo, that's it. And the great transformational plan. You make come up for better and say, acquire say manifesto. Once a draft up to a bra.
Okay.
Party bia de near friend manifesto.
Hello?
Of promises. Oh, you buy your way, in the Kaiga. Allah the idea, I go beyond the promise. You can say policy solution like what the Eshishaya or the Bayel Duma Ama Ghana, your free pempen so you we at their pump so for Ghana for a home back in hand or Mokacrano. And no, I know they two is that and a Chianco Poyaduma a 2 p.m. No, better say moving peak hotel. Yentia a moving peak hotel is a focus no to engage the media more. And yeah, fanfare say yes, it's a movement for change for Google be senior. Previous and yes, Anna opese or yeno can say media engagement, but it's open. Obibia opese oba obibia so no. Does
that mean, say, the media will be allowed to ask questions?
No, yeah, lunch there, and yeah, ye say, yeah, papa, yeah, questions and answer. Yeah, lunch until lunch, no, yeah, when we are. And the chair, Yanko Poyaduma, a Chinecono, or be move from radio to radio, TV to TV, and no question, Pia will be
okay. Now, how is the campaign going? Campaign say?
Yanko Pardon, you go super agent answer. Agent answer pa. Now, maybe I make me say Abano Alan Kojo Martin will be president January 7th. A month for I don't know when here. Faculty. You better first one, Obia ni hobe crosso. 50%, you know. The first two candidates are Omubeko runoff no Alan Kojo Martin Ekahun. You call runoff na Ghana for to me Ebema Alan Kojo Martin because Ghana fire fed up or how Omuko mui edoso dodo. Say Alan say what party mu ye wahuni say party samuno emwa of Ghana. Eti Sabrino or no bar or barber for more a government of national unity. A government of national unity no. Or who say the party or you good. And so no party women or wa na obwa ya overtaken. Ye won krofo or mono party bia or you good or betima abo mine. But because it's a one journey party, didn't you know? Yeah, Concofano, Ebano Mama Bois, or my Ebasana, Ghana, yeah, Nkoyanim. The sent, you know, what the government of national unity, you know, Ebema winner takes all, no. every honum. Sa enchichemu a eya na ba oman no mu ya the policy bi ba we che mentiase we se da bi ya be make sure say and go through ni e ka ka no sa ne mani na etobika ama ya timanya one body. Yes, a national government acquires a blaster. What's a blaster? You have players in free one team. You pick best players from various teams. You come wabu. Omushia, the board to form one. Who say F? Sapa Pepe, Anna Lankojo Chairman, or Pese, or de Omanhene Yaw.
Okay. Auntie, you better any more. We are the free my baby, and it's never too much in Comoye. Medasiano pay.
Yes, yes,
okay. Obsina do na moten nka no on there was say was shy na was see the PS in it say Kodwala Nchamaten is going to be president. Ono say ebeko second round abano December 7th. Ya 2 year obeka nipa mienu ho a mbetimi akọ run off no na Ghana for the abana shedensa. He's not predicting one time for your mic yo. Okay. Boris B chicken. Na Boris B asye ye no epe emabunu bi ni o ma ye adwuma. Montie me ye. Wei so wa wie JHS kra no wan to aso bio na ho odin a. Ye de mo ko atonsu feed mill ho. On se wo machine kase a o mo ye feed man kokọ. Ye hia mo se e be fa ma adwuma ho. Number our friend is 0244355050. Nti anope ya wa wie SHS wo fie so obetima koya djuma wo ho a frɛ number no sisi a 0244355050 0244355050 omuhia workers ewo feed mill ewa tonsu enti anope adwuma ba enya akwadro so what we JHS kra no wan to aso bio oso nko school bio wo fie what we SHS wunya nto aso opa adwuma ye kan ho for ani kire ho frɛ number no sisi a nhye obi a omo no obeka 0244355050 Boris B chicken Ghana have a bia and crime Palace Mall bia e won crime bia benya bia to Oba Poku trading ebi wo ho adum LG Mall top high Shell Body Junction Bantama High Street any press within Chanimu Asawase Market Santase Runabout Unity Oil in Chanimu your full chicken your breast your fillet gizzard layers are now broiler your man Shaya da ho akremoni bia betimi awe na mi bie no ye de ahyehye ho nti eye halal bomodina say locally produced chicken ya kumwa no wa ya na ya freeze wo mo any 1 week kra de wa cha ada no adwe ntumi san parts na hodo ni nyina asa na make no bomodin say no de ope Boris B chicken obe fresh 05444453 05444453 unum si anaka say Z natural mineral water beba wa dream sorry ahomachi no abobobi no free bowels you're good to go I feel we are wedding engagement outdoor in parties a punto kese outim sa this year use Z natural mineral water na baba damasi your number is 0244620294 0244620294 0208183018 Obini Blackman Company Limited and a yensu friasasiasi abutamu ye dia famfidie mu ma minerals e wo se bepie mu nyina be shem se dewa bomodina she obepe bi ato okumase ya odo ani be che Brema West Brukutu Junction Kronom kwan so enkran Atomic Ashoma kwan so sanso so and a Matt Roberts will sunyan 0244620294 I say honam tutuo utim sa ojo hwanye sasabure sa kan ho nsuo tutoi ahotutuo na wo kon utwa entwa wabeti honam ayo boho uhia 360 capsules any Dawood ointment every Dawood hospital aba 360 capsules ni Dawood ointment wonom na de twitwe eye umu adwuma na eye honam na ni so adwuma na ohwehwe ne asahwi asanwene so ejoso krapa enso behu ye wo ho na sa diabetes pressure na stroke ne ulcer enam mreye hututuo ne joint pains ne de na just and de entatia case kra Freya 0244886437 0244 886437 afei 3A Herbal Center 3A cold capsules onom 3A cold capsules waist pains no eko coconut asiashe constipation I am timno so away umpewe na opede 3A cold capsules it does not cause running stomach and bomodinable popi na de wo ho free coconut how no Colinac Danny Heba Misty Heba Pidanko Benya B 0546107107 0546107107 Time Herbal Mixture for the treatment of malaria, loss of appetite, and general bodily pains. You need time. Yeah, hunama akutwa awodi wo po. Edianis when ma out free ba so don sakanwe jano ho untumi ni difa na ofon. We hear Time Herbal. Of course, yes, parasite no. Chesa ase onom wo he. Malaria no na ada ne ho be how no ohia Time Herbal ebe she parasite di nyina se atu afiri wo mu na ho aye den nkotodwa kikabo mu anum aye nyonyonyo nyina no afiri ho afei Time H8 no so eko ema nkomwa no ho ye den eko yade afei ne capsules no ne mixture ne nyina no ebo adwuma pa 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 na ebi mu di o ma woda say dem kan na Tony Sack na so yasene ye the property products na ba so me mo bo so ntamwe e na no pay me a menua odene ho kwaku apia Coca happy birthday to you cham odene ho apia Coca I care a wonderful personality a wonderful businessman a politician and a strong Christian odene ho mbasre unyame se utirinkwa. All the guys at Sompa are wishing you all the best. Enjoy your day to the max. Happy birthday, Odinoho Kwaku Apia. Sapono Uso Amankwa, and Neyawa Woda. Happy birthday to you, O Papa Ewo Jofel, O Martin Kwapa, and run a nail birthday, just a belated birthday. Nanama Foriwa of Jaso MA2. Nanama Foriwa, Neyawa Woda. Master Kwesi electricals engineer electrical engineer just so Martin Kwa Kofi of Koforia Sokore Uncle Freddy so Martin Kwa William Appel Edinkra administrator SDA nursing midwifery training ya boa mani Kechobi Martin Kwa William Appel Edinkra Afe Abraham Kusiampo for Overdum and Eyawa Woda Kwajodu Boatin boat of F-line Bookroom Estate Onsoso Eyawa Woda Eric Pepra of Boakye and staff of Comfort Anoche Teaching Hospital. Allah. From Ose Kofi, CPP Youth Organizer. As I also. Happy birthday to Aigbe Beyonce. Aigbe Beyonce of Accra. Today is your birthday, Aigbe Beyonce. And Destiny, Formula said Destiny, Research and Elections Officer MPP said Destiny. Afei, twin sister Augustina Amoa, today is your birthday. Happy birthday coming from someone no name. Sandra Pokumensai, teacher at Buenim SDA from Kate Pepra. Sandra, today is your birthday. Yeah, Champrempe. Vice President of Susanna Wesley Methodist, Swami, and Neyawa Woda Obey Champrempe. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, baby of Boakye. That is coming from Fearless at Amstead. Yeah, baby, or so much. Adelaide Anoche of UDS Nyankwala Campus. Adelaide Anoche, UDS Nyankwala Campus. Biotechnology and Molecular Biology level 400. I do what the also didn't in account, catch in a debye. Or the in account. Okay, Mammy, and Quaho so nano pay. Mene, me a minias cobo, Juchin como. Score banana. Scabo. Hello, Scabo. Good morning. Okay, try and get him back on the line. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the MPP team traveled to London on a campaign. Ghana for be quiet demo. Ebu musi jo mama. Omakwaji NDC for sikadi. We got time omuko do or no omuko kwa na chese Dr. Mahmoud ami omko campaign acha no ko. Oni and nipa kakra bi na omuko and you see chese they were expecting a mammoth crowd.
Hello.
Scobo me my channel pay.
Hello.
Hello Scobo.
Hello boss.
Now what to say?
Yes, boss. Good morning.
Yeah, me too won't catch it.
I'm just swear.
Me who you do?
I'm on the can I have a tag away, you know. Me your friend say YouTube, ne Facebook.
Aye.
I'm just so money. It's not the Ghana foul.
Sao.
The title program no pa liberty program. The title pa say what the Ghana what the Kumasi afa.
Asida enyame dia.
I'm sure.
Yeah, himself, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Okay. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia about London and the campaign team. Now, demonstration, na yenim, and not demonstration, if I dare.
To be very honest with you, NDC for almost more demonstration. But to be very honest, Nipa Bears 15 maybe about 100. And almost say, some more demonstrations in Galamsey or Ghana. It's just me and you would no come with you. But when you look at flyers and placards, how much people be soon could take time. And Nipa no dear anymore, youth organizer, Freddie, Nadine, and Frederick. On the dear anymore, just almost a weird demonstration, Master Coco. And we are Nipa Bears, we are more emphasis about 15 as a 10 bin about. But then, because on my one time say yes is so be any say we are saying and never tesa obi any say we are saying for them to even walk from baby on free by back right now na I say we dey in theatre say police rob house of pamo na MPP from for gas so that we munya omo na omo anwo kaka na this is a sign of democracy. Tija omo na chese omo ni ejeje o yewie kwa chese wo na omo peka kwedi and dia just I would want say demonstration about 10 to say you know that me dey work come later no I come back some portfolio we did in come on no we say okay now no they are going no ja ko nti on buy crown on man take even that 30 minutes crowd and but the good thing is town hall meeting Dr. Bawumia name for show very successful. Unfortunately, no. Now, Dr. Bawumia and emergency and now say quickly, or rushing back no Ghana. It's me and Dr. Bawumia kasa but in your finance minister, in your deputy majority leader, a whole lot. I'm saying General Secretary Munina or Samia Ukumo, and it was good. A lot of people came there. Now, what they were trying to do is say, you bet to me, I can be actually, or make be actually London for, and the Ghana for London. Somebody will say, now, no government, so they didn't know Gugua Krama, or per se, or mine, it's impong. It's your mind's out, say, demonstration be or demonstration, actually, but Dane, and Comodiani, I say, or more, no, now, you be all, and see. I said I had demonstration, son of a canoe.
Scobo Mami Musao, ye din komo Prime Minister for Freud Baya. You didn't come out, and they UK are sitting out to say.
Someone who can know, my to be honest, say easy. And looking at, say, I have next week and next 2 weeks,
that's right.
Osha, say system no easy. And a prime minister will now buy, it's something like he's trying to please Amofono. I was saying, I didn't know. Omono, I say, I didn't empower. I will try to please you. Into in Rabbi or the Abba, sometimes a bufferiness in terms of benefit. Omo, I want to teach your parents. Omo, only idea. I want to teach you. Omo, money. I don't know. What you teach us, I know money. But don't say, "Come on, now." Send your almost answer. Answer. What you chumwa? You bet you not to pano. was say ono no yanto aba ma no ya appoint no buy enti opesa obetiki your friend say and maybe anaso odi maybe ano tin be ba no then also call for election it is a general election now all call for no say ye to aba no conservative that is when I feel the Kruma be feeling it angaza. He's doing well with the economy, and no doubt because say Nancy Anna, you free research remove Kruma, and for UK, if recession Nama and Kofo IG Nidi Kaka. But looking at the kind of benefits and Kofo Ninya in Yakumano, or try to cut all those benefits. It's ama easy. Now, Omanhene say first, now Obi Awatra Abucheda, now Kofa 20 pounds. Wait to be that 20 pounds. I shopping your cousin shopping what the year weekly even Obi on pledge and say no better be 20 pounds. I am monthly shopping. On said that and spend it too much. But say offer 20 pounds to Kruma. What the matter apple a top will say 3-4. Maybe I want to issue bear 4-5 below up to this kit and another 20 pounds massa. Which it tells you how economy now yama to say we are seeing baby and yet easy Emma in the power. So we are just hoping say things will go for things will go but a better way of United you be okay. Looking at now Labour Adia a conservative for the power say your NHS system no and they are not helping. It's Yama Labour no almost stressing on NHS big time. And Utie amu Labour campaign now almost almost restore NHS. You can NHS at Ghana your health system NHS
Ghana National Health Insurance.
A time no
That's right.
We say who hospital and Utie we na who for free no. SAS scheme no. Yadi in the UK ano. We are Juma Bosomi yeto taxa. Sa NHS can na shimubi. It's you who call hospital and also who yari an hospital. Now, no, say you were waiting list, so be honest, and say the prisoner. You will be at the waiting list so for the next 4 to 5 years. It be them 1 month, 6 months. Be your agent, I'll say, hey, man, obey delay to be our time, no, so no, not sending son, not dealing them. And the reason why all this is in the cost of the conservatives, no, and we are sick of war. And see, let's say conservatives is like MPP. They are responsible for Kruma. And see, answer Tutu. Sani Amano. Now, a hospital I acquire young Kutiescano. Rather than almost attending around. Now, I can't go back to hospital. Okay, some Yabeko hospital, they are moving prescribing to set health insurance and they had Ghana. Now, for starting new private hospitals. And yeah, because they are Utia or health insurance. Send your USA, you can go to private hospital, you can go anywhere. That's a side of the Burma. Now more conservatives when it is. But Labour also they are there for the people. To say they are MPP for Ghana for no. Until you see, sir, they are always thinking about the people. Labour no. But conservatives, yes, they think about the people, but more no sikano could do more.
Thank you very much, Kobo.
It's another problem.
Mame found see how no Moses Siano. Now, I'm going to phone to us from free here. PV Jantwa. PV. Now, what to say? PV Aboko. PV, the only do. Always looking sharp. Honorable DC. I have one south, east. Now, I'm to say. Bibi Aboko. Edobadi say. MPP parliamentary aspirants defeated ones na komo abom. Omo say omo ye bibi to say aspirants united for Baumia. The son say ubako polling station. Na ubu a okope polling station executive amfa, electoral area coordinator amfa, constituency MP okope amfa, regional amfa. Ase se eba se adwuma ne ba no obeye bia na bi mu hwe ne echi ase de owo potential to come back into na ase obeyire ne ho enti o makom ho abom so mpese o mpoa na yeyi ba bia no akọ ba bi o nyina bom na o maboa. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ekopem wo amano ne nyantie se emergency meeting sad ne bai na ne akopie ni say almost ya dwendwene omo de omo nsem kototo dwa. How is the election panning? I hope Sinadoya say the election will have a second round. He can predict. Now Alan will be part of the runoff. Now Omoako. And then Alan Kojo Martin launched the transformational agenda of Okujo Tabla and someone I could PM with respect to Snit and Labadi 3 others are mutono. We've told the president is meeting stakeholders tomorrow after Odema Minister for Labor say onye nhwehwemu no echina oshia stakeholders enom ne ade as a campaign no weekend in as a form kakra but meaning say it is going to get up. The NDC is launching their campaign so very soon. Omo manifesto nom ne ade nyina APA we are told. No. How is it going to pan out? Babeja foya tenase and say me go up no sui ye bobo na ya share. But people say the NDC's demo in London was a total flop and a fiasco. And to me, I'm flies and an uncle mopeno. But I dear Bakwa, is the MPP doing state capture? And I said to sir, is Brian Champon and Abedo Jema Okujeto a person or Tutina Basana says, and also Okujeto has something to talk about Abia Ghana for now because of politics. Young Fire Koyana. This morning, let's have a discussion. Honorable, and some of them go up on us. Maybe I wish I see a free beer.
No pay much yaw.
They also
na much ya etiefo ene wo mo ehwe yen soso. Na much ya me constituency for me chairman Kwadwo Wusu. Constituency executives, police station executives, coordinators. You know me chair mo youth wings na young ladies omo ho nyina na much ya nananom I wo ahafano southeast. It is na Boakye Yadom Kotoko na daroma ona ma ye baby a ye tia ye adwuma ewo ahafano southeast.
Okay.
Opani kase
yeah.
Meshas ye de a free demonstration a course so ewo amanone the bibia kyerese the course wo no NDC for me ense bi awmo London right na ekokko share sa dwumadie no ase na emom no omo antumi anso sidi ewo ne omo pese omo yenim omo anso sidi because doctor, we're living a life well as far as Ghana politics is concerned. Ade bia oye no pepe ne kwan so. For the past almost 16 years, yete se yenya obi ewo ye man mu hanomo ewo political fraternity ni mu o hyase kasa eni ade no. Everything about this particular person we are talking about no nightmare the ma nipa bebrebe kwa especially NDC4 enti baby a obefa baby a obeko bia no omo wo adwene bi se wose omo epe bibi di kanta nia obeyi bia na ni gise me wo ni se omo yen so ya na omo nya abotre mehwe mu yie mehwe demo ni bi tie amanfo ka NPP galamsey nipa oba Ghana a wo be ye galamsey ho adwuma ma ne gentre ha pa ndc aban o man so ni video ni be metimi asende ama no wabo se ye beto aba krofo galamsey amna ho kofrom no mutina ho di nkomo ka kire o mo se monto aba ne maye na se ye to aba ne ba monto aba ne maye ne ye ba be ma mo so mo kwan na mo ayibi a person like this, we need moral right be ase or can't wasem. This will be kwa no wonko. Nanado Dr. Baumia Bain the ombe to me biara no aye nyina eka ho bi no. We have done it to fight this issue. So we should forget. Na me hu demonstration no maniwu kra. Say nipa be 10 15 akogina ha na nia ye ene nia ye ka ene say ye demonstration de tia ye vibe because we ba ye town hall meeting inti ye ntiase ye nti bi da ena na no obi kasa no wo say first no obi a watena abrochire pan bia no enim say first no say London, you get 20 pounds. But me your weekly shopping. But say a top apple. No what to show me answer. No what to biscuit or berry account. 20 pounds, no. Asa. And near me quenimu. There's no doubt to say Obianka say Ghana ye mra today. Level say yes will be a hoyaden etono. Eno kura mponso de me madwenimu no entumi nsida se ebetumi aye mreama obia ho atono a to the every level obia be okay. It will never happen. It will never happen because baby a wode ho ye ho mfato ho wa hanom no ensi yo ho se obia ho atono de e wose ye nyina ye hunu na ye hwe na ye tiase ene se doctor wa ye na dwuma ayeyie o se wo pentoaso a se de on the person be leader ye de be ma no no atoaso wa wo se won tiase no ko kan de o kan ye obeye de ma me mani gi doctor ho ne se obetena ha no mu a o kan ye enyeyi ne enyeyi na what the policies and I say the solutions oba obetumi afa so amana ye no na what de agu ho so what can we are no obi nso beje platform na asem ye ba kope say no woka ho enti edien na obeye aka sisi edien na obeye sisi yi amana yi ana say yantwen ya de bra waka de obeye what the solutions agu ho eti na me boa na so wunya kwan na wunya microphone kita kan ya wo so betumi aye
NDC for kan betumi aye
da bi me dey to be honest me nyan share dante ade a NDC for so betumi aye omonfa policy bia be
fa wadwene nkoso anase
omon kan bi ade a NDC for so mbeye one almost omoba BC na nkran kwatwa ye omutwaye no nkran ko bo aponto mbo mbehwehwem
na se na omaka bi
omso mbo mbehwe BC ni
ozo omonka bi ba omaka bi
enu ya ade aba an se de omso mbo mbeye no no almost January ye ton abe adwuma ye fu akatuam 21 or 23% almost ombo mbehwehwem omuntimi ntu akatuam sa tombo mbehwehwem ebi di ombo mbeye no ebi na okugyeto abrakwa ahyase a oye no but ade ese ohunu ni se onya obeye eye otan asante kasa no onya obeye eye otan obi nya wo obeye enti mo ye once onya obeye no nko ade e wo se ye de target ni ye crucify no onye obeye e your time say if you are not doing well honorable my champion uni bibi last time em say we fidie so he ya na me kae say the company ba could be a funny into IT so what is you know uni me say into IT no the whole Ghana banking system na Ghana hanmo no wa umma loan biya no e sa system no e na use the loan into IT INTU dash IT the head office watch mota the whole Ghana and yes how system be your friend a third party reference system and also need ya why we need financial sector no as they make one and you don't know the amount of money
generating
in a day bankers and banking association in Ghana no etuama Brian I'm telling you you have no idea was system be a feno omudi omu payslip payslip online payslip no as I say payslip bia Ghana ha dwumafo nyina payslip no e ho na omu generate e de fa no you have no idea that system the system we say nyina no or shase use and I say or create all these businesses before say NPP ever power
no MP the MP dey by 2020
what you say no MP or create we nyina ansana eba or NPP ba power ansana no so kura ebe ye MP entino sa wote nchan na oma wani bre eye wadwene se wo kwa hwehwem unim mama wa yi ba ko bi
quick one you 4 minutes na me call
this company Daylet Finance met me use as example among Daylet Finance Mr. Kenneth Kwame na Thompson me chia one pay na Mr. Alex Brooks na Mr. Jackson me chia one pay sa company we say no sika wo mutua edema into IT every month no metimi aka kire wo say in every month we want trace come into IT crown e be ko 1 million Ghana cedis I'm telling you company for the Bayport easy some microphone nyina no e use brand champion system ni na di omadwuma wo office
they are paying millions
Absa Ecobank Fidelity Ghana Commercial
First National
nyina use into IT once you accept say obeye loans e wo bank ho no the system abetumi use amna preventive fraud and other things no e the system na and the banks are paying millions for him.
He's filthy rich.
Yes. Enti me no se wo hwe sika ekọ no ho in a month. Na me wo hwe japade wo kora mpo no ameka kire se Brian kora onye hwe. Onye hwe. And this system that I'm talking about no enye only Ghana here. Nigeria for also use Nigeria for use that system na make ho asem.
It means they're also paying to him.
Yes. This is just one aspect of the business. Me what information just say everything be able to into IT who be a minimum because I have worked with them. I was a banker. It minimum every Yako meetings. Yan controller accountant general. Your opportunity be that chrono muning common fabric champion into IT. No say check is sign on demand every month. Check is saying and a controller and accountant general edema into IT every month. They will tell you. Yes. And you know, yenyabotre. Na me ne de minim say he can even do more. Ghana ha no ade ba ko mahunu ni say yenwu nanim asensai na adwuma no ya doso. Ya doso. Okujato immediately from school to politics. Into Ukra mpo no wona nke se hwe yehwe onim bebribi kwa. From school to politics. Kwache, Fuzu Kwache, from school to politics. Omu nyina. Enti si ye wade bi ase hwehwe mu a, ye wo bi ase hwehwe omo yi mu a, bran wa ye adwuma. Wa ye adwuma. Enti momo no de mufiri ho na mo ba yo. Last time you say bibi nam social media ka say Okujato ni fie a see easily go cost be say 3.something million. I don't know. Me hun social media. Ebi when the chrome hono mo so cost say
the beach house.
Beach house so cost beach you can say beach house wa. Bra nya some get to
that's costing $1.5 million.
What you say? In politics,
3.5 million at Airport Hills.
Airport Hills. In politics. And to
that's what they are alleging.
Oh, yeah, allege. And to crowd there. And you be say, who crowd boo any other. And go so. One how. Because so coca. That's a war dear no. And once some coco pia. Near bano. And ye. Me, Brother Champon. The business aspect. Brother, I admire this man so much. Because me, I love business. I do business. Me pay business pa. Me pay business.
Even free say Rock City and there. He is into government. He is in government. A minister, cabinet one as such, you know. Even though 2018 almost started here, no, on the bidding came 2022, no. As a big, there is a certain advantage. I don't know what can I say quickly. Naminko
advantage be any. Time one almost started 2018.
Yeah.
And only then call 2020 say 2022. 2020 no dey no macro sub eyina na.
No.
Enti no it doesn't hold. That argument it ends there and it fall down. 2022 no dey call no. No macro sub be no. Bid no mo ya amanfo bid no macro tu ana.
Not yet.
Enti that argument na fall wo hwa.
The people are raising conflict of interest.
Me say a fall wo hwa. Se no ma close eno mo ye kana na je ne de nkoko hye mu dia ene ye fine but no mo close no mo da so eje se say kro mo close obi kura betumi susu dia kọ ena ade na ayo mo ton no ebi o mo ton profit anaso o mo ye hye no o mo ton profit enya loss ento obi de ne dia ba no hwe na e wo soro a bra me as a businessman.
Okay.
Imagine your profit because we pay for something na me ton.
Mami ko PV Janto. PV.
Yeah, my.
Mami emra wonche.
Mami nchao.
Ejoso.
Nchao chief na nchao DC so. Mine anopay. Amenya a very clear understanding about how Oman we abidu baby edri.
Ade.
Yeah. Unim bibi. MPP for Intia says it will be a demonstrator that about me. Insurance and bar, young co apostolic.
Insurance and bar.
Yes, insurance and bar, young co
apostolic.
They should understand, say, so many man and no mountain. Demonstrations is part of what? Democracy. It allows people to express own views, own interest,
whether one person or two.
Whether quarter person. And if we have to go by my cousin before, they have no shame. From 2013 up to 2016, only demonstrations on President Mahama or London. In June 2013, that is 15 June. April 2013, almost 20th October 2014, 12th May 2016. How many? Almost about 5.
MVP.
And what have they done? They have no shame. You sit here talking about Galamsey with all confidence and temerity. Jesus Christ. More party heads are involved in Galamsey. 2 ministers came. Say, Yeba Beshe or Hine Kutupa. They don't even respect. Don Jinapo, and regional minister went to Asante with 2 4 They have no respect. To go and tell the revered king, His Royal Majesty, say, Nana, a train Shemuni, Jakarta, we Nakama. There's no thing for being kind. These people, they have no shame. A new word for a new word, and people not Bunsaho. And another father sits there. Now, a guy ministers too, they are still working. And the candidate says, Oman fight corruption. Have they forgotten Ekwausi, party in Hinska, Charles Bishop? Fempon Boakye report, a whole indictment from the rooftop of the government to the ground level. I know my banner galamsi. Friends, excavators are intimate for cons, it Do they have shame? Then the president himself, Ujina, public platforms, were mandated state institutions, a year Juma, a issue statements that are contaminating a regional what? Chairman of MPP, Ewa Sand region. Were validity routes or mining illegally, forest reserve.
Forest reserve.
The president, being ruthless president, was as far as I'm concerned.
Has done no wrong.
And I will question the demonstration the whole year going to get that. Enti afe anope Matthias ye dinti Oman we ayese dia ye. From President Nkrumah as a leader of government business, then became president to date. Ope Abanya wama a huge governance deficit MPP Abanwe. Enti Oman we bibia enye governance is zero. Governance have broken down in this country. Yes, sir, it was very clear. 9th January, DSP Nankan Bruce. To date, January I found more invisible for court for the first time in the history of Ghana. Even in Revolution days, BNC judge, Mazul judge in the farm with impunity. I don't understand court, no. You find 2008, no be hit bottom. What are they talking about? Because they don't understand good governance, they will sit and defend Brown a champion. It's a movie wood, Whether Brown owns the whole world IT, whether he owns share, even including gift mix, he's part of it. The antenna, you're the man on NDC time. It tells you NDC, we don't do divide and rule. Most often in IT, go and check. Because we felt he's a Ghanaian. Nepotism and cronyism. Good for the Genesis Pearson, 71-year-old, 72-year-old person. And he's on record to have assumed the high office of the president at an overly matured age of what? 72 years. Well, you have made pension saying 12 years. Nobody gonna man no Caribbean anymore. Say, I will not run friends and family government. What do we see today? What do we see today? Nepotism and cronyism now wear this country down. Share and before you catch them. Friends, friends, oh my. We're going to Asante. So when you want to know what tone yet on Negapadia, we didn't go into mentor. Show this kind of bottom. There is wisdom in that. Now listen, because of 4 years, any idea they were channel or one necessary first. At the end of the week, a bandman. Nanka, the end of Mugina Suji, both sides in the free, Ibrahim and some. Musu will be a president to widen, were taking advantage. Your case will be a politically exposed person. Maybe they don't understand. A domestic political exposed what person is an individual who holds or has held a significant public position within their own country. This could include a high-ranking government officials, politicians, or individuals with influence over public policies on the national level. It is a party, So I've been I also want to sorry first, Brian, stop that nonsense. And save the whole party. How can it be in government? What's the answer? It is because Ken and Franklin Templeton, the woman who be wrong with it. It is because Jacob buying fear year. They have no shame. Now I'm buying an issue document. Say I know say no longer mean here a intimate on Lameboa. A question. na je ke se mesiesie dan no ma ye den ma to na court mo cronies o bench nso ntino yes dan ye den to.
But the Supreme Court, it wasn't about their cronies.
Wow, but we see
they ruled. The Supreme Court ruling was that he legally acquired it because government seeded it out for sale.
No, me ba. You require a buy fast ye den.
Eto ade.
They no fast. Abandon one can and no kwa and I buy sidima no.
There we.
It is on my way. I said, yeah. A state capture. They are capturing everything.
Do you still see it as state capture?
Go and find out what is happening on the 5G. No? Now, as Laos in there, I'm sounding a caution. The fact that we include the KNet on a fence, 5G doesn't give her a cover. I'm telling him.
You're telling her?
Yes, sorry. How can you run a country like this? And Nema Mujina Simpi Sukaye. One be directly what? Opposite. Now, going to my before my fear, baby, or my baby, say no. Anybody money so. And they are saying, say, Brian Champon, when you're a non executive director, who owns Rock City? When you lift the veil of Rock City, when you be
Brian Champon.
Who is the mind of Rock City?
Brian Champon.
So, what are they talking about? Me office institution na me da na me mama me no qualify so much business plan so me make so much business plan they can write a business plan because I understand good governance and I know the duty of care. Now if you know me I deny my children because one ko e boni a me dem punish wo no obi e boni a me dem punish obi eje obi, and I don't want the confidence in the system na me da no to be eroded into manye o man kon beye. That is how, when you are holding a public officer, this is the way you need to raise the bar. Not so negatively way more. And so what? He can own all the billions in the world. This thing is wrong. A choir, your fast 31st December for fast acquire a friend saying. It is wrong. We shouldn't entertain that nonsense. If there is a way, we should find a way to reverse our stupid things now.
Easy.
We should find a way. Because say the bar first, you can hear Abia when can see. Behind the region to Tuka. Echo stop on. The event is when you are a president, you are part of government, you are almost at par. At the end then what you are buying the party and we are buying a buy Piauka. Who put it a buying interest no? We shall cow. How do you? So woman of Mujaha and Brian what end this Abema. Yes, and come back. Sir, hypocrisy, they should put a stop to it. Yes, I did. And I say, on my way. And everybody knows me. I will say it even if it will go against my government. I don't give a damn. But they have no shame. They have intentionally 10 of their moral compasses. And nobody say more Ghana. How can you support Saudi way? Someone to me and support Ezon Kubik on the offense and box side now.
And you know, any box side.
Again, I bet you just support Sabran, a champion, Adewi. You want to go to a one or acquire 60% in a wedding. A bay
4 hotels.
On mine. Can you flatter a trollete? And the money data bank was a doctor's who near one and I'm a boy. 20 minutes. There's 20 minutes a bush where or my agma. Who owns a finance and enterprise insurance? Data bank. Your loans yaje under from 2019 to date. I ain't from a year book runners. I ain't from a year underwriters. Insurance a woman now.
Enterprise.
And they don't see anything wrong with it. The school you move be acquired. They can't, because of politics, they can't be intellectually what? Independent. You know what more difference I do. Actually, I say about who bet me be one no I can say him. And then I mentioned the Metia American now. It's on record. The Metro me Facebook is on record. The China, I say me banana ko China, you be the barbecue me. So be anymore. So the good thing about saying the truth is that you don't have to remember what you said. Who shall be able to say there's a problem. If you say no, who are probably saying no, come on. And you know, the state of my will find itself And then I was a Ghana for you and you know, here. Mine, mine we move. That's this maternity block here, way. The bush way. You can't let a darling young holding. You have report to be a just one sentence. Structural integrity report and say a dying young holding. You move the scale of your quadriaban, a bit message for this modern timing. Now a 950 affairs capacity. Musi a bit message 450. 2 years in down a cow. Then a huska da ho. This MPP man then a huska, a human huska da ho, a cow. Central market, a cow. Now there, can't like a shin on ye, quota as a funky to be she and be seen there. Then I found. Now when I go near demonstration, tell Kaka Musu. And he was talking about say, and this is for my, and for policy be my.
That's right.
The major idea bit much change Ghana. Idea bit much change Ghana. Ama Ghana. Etimia come back on track. It's for all of us to be on one page or come on the same page. And exactly what President Mahama have been suggesting, and what Shemudia said, in the first 100 days, you will call for a national dialogue.
Sompa FM.
For us to sit and determine the next maybe a wash year crop. One, Yedika Gintimintia. We have no means of paying. And your prayer stands here and check and then MIA. Let's say a cancer hollow policy with me our grant tax amnesty. Wait.
How do you see it as hollow?
It's very hollow. Because one, tax amnesty without recourse to physical consolidation is useless. Number two, tax amnesty without a strategy to rope in one more tax is absolutely useless and needless. Now there's a psychological problem. If you say you grant tax amnesty in 2025, what do you think is going to happen? The only tax cut 2 years back. A fee do
also
so Sika Ben now they bad one country no. But if you have sense and we are economic good manager, you will sit and plan and say, look, road contractors, building contractors, suppliers, one more involved in local production, one cost was from, one more buying to me into country. I will give them tax amnesty. This one will make sense. You will keep people in employment. Because road if we are buying to me into Omuka, building if we are buying to me into Omuka.
Construction, those who are into major,
yes,
now almost are amnesty.
It makes
but
sense.
It shouldn't be like a turn in the man.
And what is the guarantee that when you get the tax amnesty, almost any cabin? What's the guarantee?
Okay, Mame Embra, honorable. What see, you've definitely run the economy and everything down, and you have no shame. You are still defending Bright Champo.
The Bia may come and say what's a minute. I know what you say about 4 tower. Me papa,
PV Jantua.
Me MC meeting the na me was school. Ache na on say because me can say me say onya obeye be your time. On say the case wo kan bi wo say on wan ko mbeye e your time. Onya obeye your time. O kai bank bi ni e frɛ no Unibank. O kai sa bank no Unibank.
Kwabrando for there.
Very good. Winning pa. You be a bank in 1997. That time now Dr. Dufo no then.
Governor of Bank of Ghana.
Very good. MUB Unibank. Certain party and their power ANDC.
That's right.
Now your insurance company be that's what you find Star Life.
Yeah, Nidia.
Very good. Me papa who say Adia or Kafa Ilac Enterprise Life Insurance hono any data bank hono. I was say one ka omo nye. Edi andia no. Me mane hunu. Sa time no. Even from the regime of the president, former president Mills, ebe see the regime of former president Mama Pensono. loans wa ye je ene ye omo keep ye books no mo ye books writing nyina. It was Star Life. Me Opa won't prove me wrong. Star Life. Bank a free 1997. Eba see 2000. Per omo aye fa wo mo adwuma within that range no. Se wakatuya amfa Unibank wakatuya ma. I'm telling you.
Ghanaian workers.
Yes. Ye fa wadwuma. Na wakatuya amfa Unibank wakatuya ma, especially Ghana police. From 2009 eba ya babesi 2016 say ye fu adwuma na wakatuya amfa Unibank wakatuya ma.
Oh, patch say
Me pesa me kire say o ka data bank asem o ka enterprise life asem wo mo kura na wo dia so genuine wo mo fo mo hu nwura hwe time a na Dr. Dufo eye Bank of Ghana governor ena obie Unibank yanka ho hwe na o was all right no meka e dia fa na yi no se Brian de no any data bank asema wo kan ye no time a na wo ho no no still now of course be a Star Life Insurance ye japade bebre kwa when the see ni kwan when the see Dr. Dufo kwan obi stop no of course ye na dia wo ye na nura na wo ka say ye na dia ye bone.
The fact said last night it was not talked about doesn't mean and obi ehun say nya won to be kan ho asem
na that time no na that time na papa no me jam ka ti na me ti di na.
What I'm saying is say na no na nya ebia obi bu nani go so na obi be ka
that time wan ka ho asem o ka ya nke ne be hunu wa aka yusinim. He never spoke about it. Okay, Uncle Behu.
Okay.
Enti minim adia eye so ayi ewo we and this for no time your time. I'm telling you, it's nothing but hatred. Your time. Your time. And yeah. And John Bachasi because when Mrs. say a youth na urban woman in the business a cheaper. It's obinya hundreds in the Kurampa or persuade they started mobile money joint to be. And that's what persuade they started food joint to be. No quenim. And you maybe bano yan here Obiana wakwa bibiano say or yen a juve be Kurampa. Yabeka say a say ni India. Me catch and say he was silent about that. Omra Hobi. Me say Okujato from school to politics. So that Okujato need to be investigated too as well. Me papa cry or people dance. Why away? For so kwachenom. He's away. So from school to politics. And adi o wiase bia woman nyabi. Ade o wiase bia wo manya bi
mame museo o ka Kwabena Dr. Kwabena Dufo as a Bank of Ghana governor acquiring having a bank at the end of the day ono anso kra na approve bank no
very good
Star Life e be wi ase omokoji loans ni ade a insurance book runners no yes. Star Life not just for no house governor. It is even alleged 2009 up to 2014 as you alleged. Say, well, Usika Nam Unibank. At that time, no, MPP for Ankasawa. Then NDC for who say be a brand champion ama otuo no. Similar to that normal kan ho. Are they wrong?
Issue na da hono mankasa no. Me wo I don't know. This is not about politics.
Let
me tell you about myself. Me hunu enfunso bi e wo ho say obi e politics no bi adwuma. Me hunu enfunso bi a wo.
I agree with you on that.
Me hunu enfunso bi a say obi e politics no obi bi adwuma.
No businessman.
No a businessman. Me hunu enfunso bi a wo. Me hunu enfunso na obenya. Na say ankai ese sa nkofo no kura mpo no. Ankai se ye force mo mu bi adwuma. Some politicians, no. I make a home be.
Okay, the second is Japan. He owns.
Yes, he has force of Mumbi Bianuma. Now can people be free? Abaso. Now can minister be factory backwa. And our warehouse backwa. Who need park more? Okay. So for that, I don't against it at any way. From my point of view.
Okay. Vivi. Wrap it up.
Adia MPP for NTS and say business is setting in Ghana now. But a different methodology. I had setting banking and insurance companies. In banking, your source of minimum capital requirement, it has to be declared and investigated. Dr. Adofo was governor of Bank of Ghana from July 1997 to 2001. On one check data, you had former Unibank.
1997.
In 1997, on check it. It was from before he became what? A governor. And Sikana any other friends and shareholders, Obia declared baby a Sikana Yeden.
A free.
So, what is it? Star Assurance was set up in 1994. So you are trying to come. We could as near my any at the clock.
1994, who was in government?
We could near my at the clock. Even where bank, so set here. Well, board of directors when they have to be approved.
Yeah.
And and yet tomatoes I do myself, Mati Hotel, Menko. With the case of Brian Champon, who owns 100% of Rock City. Two different scenarios. Two different. We're going to go fictitious capital and from a beer bank. It took one more governor and friends and as Addison or balances the bank, on one second who go in that same year. Said they use fictitious capital, sovereign bank and construction bank. What I'm saying is, Obia what Ghana any MPP for no man who can reason very well and himself. Na Nekufado, name is command be the president. Because what? Now if you say JB that wrote among MPP in any memento Victor Usumo. Victor Mo MPP in any Apa. Obesa is MPP any. J form MPP any. Anyway.
I don't know anyway. What's the difference?
The difference is clear.
What's the difference?
One more preserve party dignity, preserve party integrity. What integrity does this party have? And then, say, bet me see, say, JB Darocha as a chairman. Next year, go being passing. One woman, he can't even declare the source of this car. Now, come to home. One come, but go fast. But go and now for Kokoto, motorbikes here then. A ben, she said, discipline. And the party in Jesus Christ. May say MPP for. Oh my.
I love you Friday.
Said now me catch you. Me say aye em kan bonu bidin. Ajire ngano. Ajire. And on him situation ko am do man we aye den akomu. One more situation on the man.
But they always admit never more thing. But they will.
Oh, yeah.
Almost say they are coming.
Oh, the country that from. And it's a intro. One can just to buy sympathy. But Ubia, on which you are my idea. It is how we live. I go for the sea, Yamiani Amre. And the young setting more playing can there what does hang catch them some bois. Catch them some bois. In the heat of COVID, in a minute, no one doesn't have playing. I hear Bob Bussian, Eddie Manager, Hono. Not on that one yet. Dear Beno, some more flavorless expenditures no million now. And then, dear baby, a day. Jedri. Bibia is out of jail.
Okay, finally.
Everything is out of. Now, no, you see.
2 minutes.
Daniel.
2 minutes, they will need you.
1 minute.
Ghana Statistical Service. For the first time, a percentage of Ghanaians or more under the poverty line. It be considered. And our country, about 38%. The age between 15 and what? 25 years. Is this how we behave? Should be an unemployment rate. Should be a yeka akudru. With that, record a quambe question a first wedding, a jackal. I didn't change.
What has changed? Honorable, say 1 minute.
1 minute.
Uh-huh.
Sovereign Bank came to existence and started operation in January 2016. Me see.
That is true. It was after research.
January. Me.
And I had the same Mugu.
No. I think it's a construction bank.
Construction.
Yes, construction bank. And it's not NMR license, no. Fine.
Sovereign, they never.
Yes, no.
Construction, they almost starting after 1 year or more. Sovereign was part of Akye Abia to prison. Atuation. Yeah.
Yes.
It was part
construction
of
bank.
First National.
I think another bank because I'm referee.
Me pacho.
First
construction bank, you know. And look what the license was approved in 2016 and start operation
by Adam
in June.
Governor. Then governor.
You'll be a friend of approval in principle. When you apply banking license, you'll be
awaiting full
approval. Yes, there will be a friend of approval. They've got the approval in principle.
Awaiting full approval.
2016, the governor.
The final approval was in 2017 under Ernest Anderson.
The committee sat on the documents before 2017.
I'm telling you, sir. We have two stages. The approval in principle was granted in 2016. The final license for operations, you know, was in 2017.
All right, gentlemen, let me leave it here. My time and that's so.
When we talk of bank, I have been in banking for the past 7 years. I have been in meetings.
I have been a banker for over 20 years.
I have been in meetings and other things.
All right, but before we see how they have a good year,